Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now let me download the Lexmark. This here for the serial, this here for you type here the driver download. And this why I'm search the VCL website for you. I'm like download for the VCL website. The VCL website not a virus and easy to download for the VCL website. This here for the VCL website. You click here. And this why website loading. This here for your the printer. You scroll down. Click here for the title, driver, and support. And click here for title driver and download. Click here and paste model print. Click find driver and download. And this here for the tag your automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10, Windows 10 support. And this video I need to download for you for Windows 11 before I'm show all operating system update with driver. And this here for your Linux version. You click here for the Linux version. This here for not update for the Linux version. This all your version for the Linux, and I'm checking for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. This here for a node update for the Mac version, and this here for a Mac 10 driver or your operating system for the version you Mac. And I'm checking for the system operation for the Windows, and this video I'm going to download the driver for the Windows 11 driver version. You click here for version. This here for support your Windows 11, and this here for support your Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and this here for Windows 7, Windows 10 driver. In this video I'm going to download driver for Windows 11. Click here Windows 11. You click here for date or release. Looking here, this here for new update for that release support your Windows 11, and this here for language and English support. And this video recommendation for you download for the package, and this here for universal driver installation package. You click here for the package, and this here for your start download button, and this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC, you take USB cable printer, and please one. If you finish driver download, if you finish driver download, you double click here and click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the automatic. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link number below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time the video.